Hey guys, I want to make a quick video kind of explaining the loud clicking noise the Haptic Coin can make. So if you haven't figured out already, you want to hold the Haptic Coin near the outer edges and have a loose grip on it. So kind of like in slow motion here, take a look, keep an eye on this side. So as I rotate the coin, you see the separation? It's that separation and then snap together which causes the noise. So to dampen it, I'll just kind of pinch over here. Now it rotates and is quiet. So when you're playing with it, you kind of keep it out in your fingertips and you can get a loud click, or kind of to soften it up, kind of put it more in your palm and keep more of your thumb in contact.